When it comes to health and beauty, we all strive for the best. DS Healthcare meets that demand and is a leading company in the development of biotechnology for topical therapies. It markets through online and specialty retailers, distributors, cosmetic wholesalers, and salons. And its research has led to a highly innovative portfolio of personal care products and additional innovations in pharmaceutical projects. Joining me now is its president and CEO, Daniel Khesin. Welcome, Daniel.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
Very good. So happy to have you on New to the Street.
Thank you.
So tell me about DS Healthcare.
Well, the company is engaged in the research, development, and distribution of advanced personal care products. And in particular, we have a very strong focus in the hair loss segment, which is a big segment for the company, and also other personal care products which have really unique features and that you have typically niche positioning within the industry.
How did you find passion for hair restoration?
Well, it's not about a passion. Well, first of all, I'm one of the original founders of this company, and the reason that I somehow really ended up doing this is because I myself was losing hair. I personally had a problem with hair loss. So that's how all this started. But DS, because obviously hair loss is such an important segment for us, we've engaged in hair loss research for probably, for many years now, and we've conducted extensive trials. We probably have done more research on various molecules in humans, and both in vitro and in vivo, and we have a very extensive library of compounds which we've tested. So there's a lot that we've learned over the years that is not well known in the medical community. And so that is where, the clinic is a perfect platform for us to kind of deploy some of these latest innovations which are not available anywhere else. We're literally the only place in the world where you can get some of these treatments which are truly cutting edge. Now, again, they're custom tailored, but they're also truly at the pinnacle of what's currently available in this type of research. And so people really can benefit from that.
Well, talk to me about some other services that are offered in your clinics.
Well, the other thing is that it's not just, we also don't want people to think of it strictly as a hair loss type of medical center. In other words, so we think that there's a lot of people out there who we can help to just look their best, to kind of reach their we like to call it, to reach your maximum genetic potential, right? So there's women that just, that go out and spend hundreds of dollars to color their hair. And of course, we can, even for patients like that, they can come and we can give them custom tailored treatment to just maximize their hair growth, the fullness of hair. And a lot of women, even as they get into their 30s and 40s, the hair, they're not suffering from any kind of hair loss, but it may not have the sort of the luster or the fullness when, let's say, when we're like 15 or 18 or 20, there's obviously a change, and so it might be because the hair follicles in the scalp are not functioning as optimally as they did years before. So we have an extensive list of services to kind of really, for anybody. It's not just for people with a disease or a problem.
And where can we find your products besides the clinics?
Well, the products are widely available. We have, first of all, they're sold globally in many countries, and the products in North America are distributed through the professional beauty industry. So we have products in thousands of salons across the country in North America, which includes the United States and Canada. So, if you walk into maybe a premium salon in your neighborhood, you'd probably see our products on the shelf.
What's your best-selling product?
Our best-selling product would definitely be Revita shampoo, and probably the reason for that is because it's ubiquitous in the sense that it's really for everybody. It works by maximizing the overall health of your scalp. So it's not just like a treatment if you have a problem. So it works by actually optimizing the function of the scalp. And also because it's something that is very easy to incorporate in your daily routine. Because because it's a shampoo and you're using shampoo anyway. Right. So it's like you just replace it with this one, and now you're using it, and so I think that's why it drives the strongest sales for us. But of course, we also have the second best would be some of these leave-in topical treatments, which you use in addition to the shampoo and conditioner, and then and that could, and they're sort of configured depending on, what type of problem the person has or what their goals are, whatever.
Well, Daniel, you have a relationship with car racing. What's going on with that?
I wouldn't say we have a relationship with car. Well, I mean, our brand slogan is performance. So,
okay.
And so fast cars maybe are synonymous with performance. And if you looked at our website and you saw some race cars, there's actually a race team in South Korea, which is owned by our distributor there, and he's very passionate about both our brand and fast cars, and so he just, converted many of his cars and painted them with our logos and designs.
Well, high performance.
Yes.
Good in all ways. And by the way, you got great hair. So,
thank you.
Thank you so much for being a part of New to the Street, and I can't wait to learn more about what DS Healthcare is doing out there in the world. Thank you, Daniel, for being on.
My pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
And if you'd like to check out more about DS Healthcare, visit dslaboratories.com. We'll be right back. Yeah, I had good hair. But